Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a fun, simple, yet fabulous arrangement, perfect for the transition to winter. The container, a classic compote urn, filled with floral netting, so it's a foam-free design, then water and flower food, a variety of greens, green as in the hue, both foliage and flowers. So I've got Floral, mini hydrangeas, and green trick dianthus. Then to update to winter with that deep burgundy, the classic ranunculus. Here in the Pacific Northwest, we have an abundance of cones. Yes, fabulous, aren't they? We just pick them up right outside the door. They also shout out winter. So gathering those and wiring them with an 18 gauge wire, and then placing them in first, creating a base layer that creates interest, texture, and shouts winter. Next comes the green, both foliage and flowers. Floral leaves, so long lasting, giving it a cut, and then just sliding it right down in. Coming out in a radial fashion so that it breaks the line of the container and ties it all together visually, making sure it's in there deeply. Repeating, coming up through the center. Then the mini hydrangea, cutting and tucking it down into the wire between the pine cones. Up through the center. You can see the colors, the green against the brown, so wonderful. Turning it, making sure you break the line of the container and have it look great front, back, side, side, all the way around. The green trick dianthus brings in a deeper hue of green and adds texture. So tucking that in to create that interest. Then coming back lastly with the ranunculus, bringing in that deep burgundy, the direct complement to the green, to make it truly shout winter. The recipe for this bouquet started with the pine cones, and I used 5 of them. Then 6 of the mini hydrangea, 6 of the green trick dianthus, 6 of the ranunculus, and then just 1 stem of the Floral tips that I cut apart because it was nice and full, and it gives me a lovely round bouquet. One of the greatest joys is the seasonality. When you're a florist, it's always changing, and the transition can be a fun challenge, combining autumn to winter, working with colors, so it really doesn't shout one or the other. It can really cross over both seasons. You'll find more creative inspiration at our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there, or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create to transition the seasons? Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.